Have you recently gone through a tax or mortgage foreclosure? What you are probably not aware of is that after the county takes your property and sells it to pay your tax or mortgage debt, if there is an amount of money that exceeds what you owed from your taxes or mortgage, you are entitled to it. These funds are called surplus assets or excess proceeds. Most of the time, the previous homeowner is completely unaware these funds are available. The county usually sends notification to the last known address, which was the home that was sold, so the previous owner never receives the notification. Here at Families First Surplus Asset Recovery, we assist families or individuals in reclaiming the money that is rightfully theirs from the sale of their property. If you have been contacted by us, there are funds that you are entitled to, and we will work with you to reclaim those funds for you. There is a contact portal on this website along with a number where we can be reached. Don't allow the expiration date to pass on funds that may be available to you and your family. Contact Families First Surplus Assets Recovery.